Shifting focus now to some other news coming in. The Indian Council of Medical Research, or the ICMR, has now written to the Bharat Biotech of Hyderabad to fast-track the human trials. Now, the ICMR has said that it envisaged to launch the vaccine for this process by August 15th after the completion of the clinical trials. Meanwhile, the medical research body has also warned that non-compliance is going to be taken very seriously, and hence the deadline should be met without any lapse. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Ayushman, what are the big takeaways in that letter that the ICMR has now written to the Bharat Biotech of Hyderabad that, of course, talks about the aim to put out the vaccine by August 15th?
Well, Apurva, first of all, it is made very clear that the human trial which is to take place of this virus, this vaccine, which is the indigenous vaccine, it will be starting in phases. And there are two phases which have been approved by the Director of Drug Control in India. For that reason only, the ICMR has written letter to the Bharat Biotech, and also in that 12 institutes have been enlisted where these human trials will take place. Now, the purpose of this letter is that there should be no any kind of laxity shown in the human trials, and all the procedures should be followed with an expedited effort. Now, the question here that is being raised, Apurva, is that human trial is something that takes a lot amount of time. Even if you go through the clinical trial process paper data set of the Bharat Biotech, it clearly mentions that 1 year time is needed. Now, somewhere, if you say that a desired amount of result is needed, or it has to be there on table within a specified time, that is something is controversial, and that is something people are raising question on, because currently, if you see, the human trial will begin. Now, in that human trial, there are two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Now, how does the ICMR contemplate this fact that by 15th of August, or even by the end of August, some kind of result will come? The clinical trial is something, the human trial is something that normally takes time, because the vaccine has to be administered to people and then the results are to be seen. Now, here the ICMR has clearly said that the entire process should be expedited so that something can be there on the plate by August 15, and this is what is raising the eyebrows all across the medical fraternity.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates.